Right now, your body's running on 10 invisible chemicals. They control your mood, your weight, your sleep, your motivation, and almost nobody understands them. Testosterone, cortisol, dopamine, serotonin. You've heard these words your entire life, but do you actually know what they do? What happens when they go wrong? In the next 4 minutes, we're decoding the 10 most important hormones in your body, what each one does, what it feels like when it breaks. Let's go. Hormone 1, testosterone. Most people think this is just a male hormone. Wrong. Both men and women need it, and both suffer badly when it drops. Testosterone is your body's engine. Energy, ambition, strength, drive, libido, it powers all of it. When it's healthy, you feel unstoppable. When it drops, everything stalls. It drops 1% every year after 30. Lift heavy, sleep deep, reduce stress, get enough zinc. That's the research. Simple, but almost nobody does all four. Hormone 2, cortisol. This is your body's alarm system. In short bursts, it's essential. It sharpens focus, raises energy, prepares you to handle danger. But here's the problem. Your brain can't tell the difference between a lion chasing you and an unread email. Both trigger the same cortisol flood. Chronic high cortisol destroys testosterone, breaks down muscle, stores belly fat, suppresses immunity, and slowly damages the part of your brain that handles memory. All at once. Hormone 3, dopamine. Here's what nobody tells you. Dopamine is not the pleasure chemical. It's the anticipation chemical. It fires before the reward, not when you get it. Your phone is engineered around this. Every scroll, every refresh, every notification, your brain releases dopamine in anticipation of what might be there. That's not an accident. Constant cheap dopamine hits from scrolling and junk food lower your baseline. Suddenly real life feels boring. Work feels impossible. This is called dopamine dysregulation. And it's epidemic. Hormone 4, serotonin. Where dopamine is the chase, serotonin is the calm. It's the feeling that right now, in this moment, everything is okay. You are enough. 90% of your serotonin is made in your gut, not your brain. Meaning, your gut health directly affects your mood. This connection is called the gut-brain axis. Sunlight raises serotonin. Rhythmic exercise raises it. Fiber and probiotic foods raise it. Almost everything that increases serotonin is free. Almost everything that kills it defines modern life. Hormone 5, insulin. Think of it as a key. It unlocks your cells so glucose can get inside and become energy. When it works, you feel sharp and fueled. But flood your body with sugar repeatedly, and the lock rusts. The key stops working. Glucose piles up in your blood. This is insulin resistance, and up to 40% of adults have it without knowing. Hormone 6, melatonin. Your brain produces it when darkness falls. It signals time to sleep, but blue light from your phone blocks it for up to 3 hours. Hormone 7, adrenaline. Your emergency system. Heart doubles. Muscles flood with blood. Pain drops. Strength spikes. It activates in milliseconds and makes you briefly superhuman. Then it's gone. Hormone 8, oxytocin. Released by hugs, eye contact, touch, and connection. It lowers cortisol, builds trust, reduces anxiety, and makes other people feel like home. We are wired for this. Hormone 9, growth hormone. This is your body's repair crew. It rebuilds muscle, burns fat, regenerates cells. 80% of it releases during deep sleep. Miss sleep, miss repair. Now here's what ties all 10 together. These hormones don't work in isolation. They are a network. Cortisol crushes testosterone. Bad sleep wrecks growth hormone. Dopamine dysregulation flattens serotonin. Everything is connected. The same habits fix almost all of them. Exercise, real sleep, whole food, less chronic stress, human connection. You already knew these things. Now you know exactly why they matter. That's every major hormone decoded. If you want every brain chemical decoded next, dopamine, serotonin, GABA, cortisol, that video is on screen right now. Subscribe. I'll see you there.